It's normal that the riders feel betrayed. From one moment to the next they no longer count, so no wonder they consider the choice of Marquez a joke. Valentino Rossi talked about Marc Marquez, who will be on the Ducati factory alongside Pecco Bagnaia in 2025. The doctor has suggested several Ducati riders feel betrayed by Ducati's final decision of signing Marc Marquez over the other candidates, Martin and Bastianini. In this silly season, the Borgo Panigale manufacturer announced it had chosen Marquez to be Francesco Bagnaia's teammate at Ducati Lenovo MotoGP team, after the number 93 refused to join Pramac Racing. It came as Ducati had originally elected to promote Jorge Martin, who has done everything he can to be considered worthy of being in the factory team. Fighting Pecco for the title until the last race in 2023, the number 89 has generally shown much better performance this season. Then Martin signed with Aprilia Factory Racing for next season when informed of the red team Marc's U-turn during the Italian Grand Prix weekend. Ducati's decision at the time was thought to have upset the Valentino Rossi camp, with Bagnaia, the best representative of the VR46 Academy, and the number 46 having a strained relationship with Marquez following numerous incidents over the years. In an interview with L'Équipe, Rossi offered a critical opinion of the matter. "I have not finished understanding it," he began. Ducati had an interesting system in place, with a pyramid that allowed young riders to progress. That's how Pecco was brought up, and both Martin and Marco Bezzecchi were also waiting for it. And suddenly Ducati decided to bring Marc in. It's normal that the riders feel betrayed. From one moment to the next they no longer count, so no wonder they consider the choice of Marquez a joke. He believes Bagnaia is capable of standing up against Marc Marquez on equal machinery in the next season, and doesn't need the number 93's arrival as a teammate to prove his quality as a best rider in the world. Pecco is ready, Rossi added. He is making a difference and has managed to raise the bar. He is a two-time world champion and is fighting for a third title, but, in my opinion, he didn't need Marc in the box to prove that he is number one. The fallout from this also led to Pramac boss Paolo Compinotti signing with Japanese manufacturer as a satellite partner of Yamaha Factory Racing for 2025. With Rossi's squad now getting factory Ducati support for Fabio Di Giannantonio. On the other hand, VR46 protégé Marco Bezzecchi will join Martin at the Knoll manufacturer next year, riding the Aprilia RSGP.